how to backup emo chat. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this Skydeck Studio. So if you want to backup all your emo chat including photos and videos, then here in this video I'll show you the step-by-step guide. This will help you to prevent losing your emo data from your account. So let's get started. Well, so not to back up all your data from the emo account, you just need to go ahead and open up the emo app from your phone, and from the home page go and tap on this profile icon at the top left, and from the profile go ahead and tap on the settings option, and inside the settings you'll get to see the chat option. You just need to go ahead and tap on chat, and inside this one you'll get to see the chat management. For the first option comes up with the chat backup. You just need to tap on these, and currently the chat backup is turned off. So the very first thing that you have to do, you just need to select a Google account where exactly want to back up all your chat. So I'm going to tap on Google account, and I just need to select a Google account from here. So let's say I'm going to select a Google account from the list, and once you do that, this might ask you to verify your account, and then go ahead and tap on continue. And once you do that, the Google account will be selected, and the second option will comes up with the auto backup. You just need to tap on these and get to see it's currently turned off, so you can actually select an individual time. You can daily backup your chat, and you can do it weekly and monthly. So let's say I'm going to select a weekly. That means every week the automatically chat will be backed up to my Google account, and right after that you'll get to see the include image. So if you include the videos, you can enable this option as well. So I'm not going to do this. The image is pretty good for me. And the last option, network for backup. So if you want to backup all your data only with the Wi-Fi, then make sure to select the Wi-Fi, or if you want to do it with the both Wi-Fi and cellular, then you just need to select the second option. The Wi-Fi is pretty good for me, so I'm going to select the Wi-Fi. And once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. You can tap on backup now in order to backup right now. So I'm going to do it, and once you do that, this will take a little time, and this is going to back up everything to your Google account. And this is how you actually can back up all your emo data to Google Drive. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.